everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am your host, Petalisbless. Do you guys like those gold and blue items I just showed you? Well, I'm going to show you how to make them. So first we have this vase here that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'll be using some of this blue paint to paint our vase. Okay, I used some of this painter's tape here and taped off two sections going around our vase. These sections were not going to have any paint on them. Okay, so now we're going to start painting our vase with our blue acrylic paint. Okay, now that we're finished painting, I'm going to take off the painter's tape before the paint is dry. And then I will set the vase aside to dry for a few hours. Okay, it's been a few hours now, so our paint is all dry. So I'm going to take some of this gold mirrored tiles that I got from BB Craft. And I cut it into strips. And we're going to place it going around our vase, which it comes with a self-adhesive on the back, so we just have to place it going right around our vase. And how is everyone doing? I hope you're all doing good and getting ready for fall. Oh Lord, and then comes winter. Oh, I like summer. But the seasons are changing now, so we have to go with the flow. So tell me, how are you guys doing? Tell me how you're doing with this change of weather that we're going through now. Okay, so now that's all done. I'm going to add some of this, what do you call it now? This bling here with some rocks on it. I think it's super cute, and it's a turquoise, the bluish turquoise color. So I'm going to use some hot glue and place it going around the open spots of our vase. I think this looks so cute. I got it a few months ago in the color pink, so it had pink stones going around, and I love it. And when I saw this color, I was like, OMG, I've got to try that. So I think it looks really nice. And the stones are sticking out, so it gives it, you know, a more 3D effect, which is very nice. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think of this Glam stone ribbon. Yeah, let's call it that, because I forgot the name of it. But I like it. And now we're just going to place some going around the top part. And I'm just going to cut another strip of the mirrored tiles. Just using my X-Acto knife and cutting one strip. And we're just going to place it right here, going right around the vase. Now I'm going to take some more of the mirrored tiles and a Dollar Tree candle holder. These famous candle holders from the Dollar Tree, they are nice though. And I'm gonna just add the mirror strips going right around. Okay, so now our two pieces are done. I'm just going to use some E6000 and glue them together. And here is our finished look. Our blue and gold candle holder. Doesn't the blue and gold look lovely together? I like how it turned out. I think it will make a lovely piece of decor for your home or a gift for a loved one. I love the rocks. Very nice. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our DIY number 1, our gold and blue candle holder. Alright everyone, on to DIY number 2. I have one of the round vases, again from the Dollar Tree. And we are going to take some of our blue paint again and paint this vase. And I taped off half the vase with the painter's tape. And we're just going to paint the bottom half of this vase blue, going right around. And again, we're going to take off the painter's tape before the before the paint dries. Okay, here is our vase all dry. I love this shade of blue. It looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I am going to put some more of our stone strip going right around, and I'll be using some more of the hot glue to place it down. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through a hurricane. Crazy. When I had you, I would say okay. I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah. Okay, now that that's all done, I'll be using some of the gold Glam chain to go around the vase, and I will be using some E6000 to lay the chain going right around. She's so vibey, she's so vibey, she's so vibey, she's so vibey. Oh yeah, I wanted to tell you guys that from last week and also this week, I've been going to Toronto General and doing some tests. Yes, they have me doing tests to evaluate me and check me out and make sure I'm okay, and some weird tests I've been doing. Well, to me they're weird. So anyways, the last time I did these tests, this evaluation with them, they were different tests. Yeah, because now they're doing newer stuff and different technology, and a lot of things have changed down there, which is nice. So I'm doing the test, and I think I have some more appointments next week, and then when I'm finished I will see the doctors and they will let me know what's going on. I can't wait, and I will keep you guys informed. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding one more round of our Glam chain going around the bottom part here. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing. We're just vibing. Yeah. She's so vibey, she's so vibey, she's so vibey. I don't know how I'm surviving. I don't wanna see you walking. And here is our finished look. There's no way that I can do this all by myself. I like how this one turned out also. You can use it as a statement piece. You could use it as a vase, or you could even use it as a candle holder. Again, I love the blue and the gold. And I love this bling with this little rock sticking out. I think it looks lovely. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our DIY number 2. And here's a look of both our DIYs together. I love how they turned out, like I said before, and I love the color combination with the gold and the blue. And I do hope everyone will give me a thumbs up for today's DIY. Press that like button, I'd really appreciate it. So you guys, like I said, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of these DIYs that we did today. And I upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And I do hope you continue to join me on these 2 days, even if YouTube doesn't give you the notification, because they have not been doing that, letting out people know I upload videos. Just remember, Wednesday and Sunday, Petalisbless puts out her videos. I'd like to thank everyone for coming on and seeing the DIYs that I did today. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.